Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you two of my favorite recipes for pan-fried halloumi. The first one is with lemon, thyme and honey, and the second one is halloumi fried with chili crisp. If you don't know what chili crisp is, I'll come on to that shortly in this video. So first, wash the lemon and remove the zest. I'm using this citrus grater, which conveniently captures all the zest underneath. Once you finish zesting the lemon, you can just slide off the back and pop the zest into the bowl when you're finished. Next, remove the leaves from a few sprigs of thyme. The easiest way to get the leaves off is to pick a stem which doesn't have too many branches going off to the side. The top of the stem is very delicate, so hold it a little way down and then gently pull downwards with your fingers, capturing the leaves as you go down the stem. You can then pick off the extra leaves that are left at the top. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil or an oil of your choice. The amount of oil you add will depend on the number of slices you have cut your halloumi block into. You can start with 2 tablespoons and then always add extra if needed. Now we want to add in half a tablespoon of honey. The honey does end up sticking to the base and the sides of the spoon, so I think in terms of what actually ends up in the bowl, it's probably more like a teaspoon worth of honey. Now mix all these ingredients together. In a separate bowl, add 3 heaped teaspoons of crispy chili or a similar chili crisp product. As this already contains oil, we don't need to add in any extra. The first time I ever saw this ingredient being used in a recipe, I was shocked at the large quantity the chef used, even though they assured us that it was mild. Having tried it a few times now, I can confirm that this mixture is not as lethal as it looks. The quantity that you will be using in this recipe will impart a mild to medium chili flavor into the halloumi. Crispy chili is usually available in Asian supermarkets. Next, open your packs of halloumi, drain the liquid and cut into slices. I normally get between 7 to 9 slices per pack. Heat up a frying pan on low to medium heat, add a little oil if needed, and place your slices of halloumi in the pan. And apply some of the lemon, thyme and honey mixture on top. Use a brush to spread the mixture if necessary. Turn the halloumi over and then repeat the process on the other side. Cook the halloumi on each side until golden brown and then remove from the pan. Once all the lemon, thyme and honey halloumi is cooked, give the pan a quick clean and then pop it back on your cooker on a low to medium heat. Next, add the slices of halloumi from the second pack. My induction cooker only supports the tiny saucepan, so I'll be cooking my halloumi today in multiple batches. Apply some of the crispy chili oil mixture, using a brush to spread evenly if necessary. Turn the halloumi over and then repeat this process for the other side. Now cook the halloumi on each side until golden brown and then remove from the pan. Your halloumi is now ready to eat. I like to eat this in a bread bun as a burger or in a wrap with avocado. I have also eaten this with green salad for a light lunch or with couscous and chickpeas for dinner. Those are just a few of the ways that you can use this really versatile recipe. Now all there is left to do is tuck into our delicious pan-fried halloumi and enjoy.